Hey there, how's everyone doing today? It is Vernitra Thomas, better known as Tweet, your favorite, well, your new favorite entrepreneur, kingdom business builder, mother of four. Hey y'all. So I wanted to create this video today to introduce myself, first of all, and second of all, to see what needs you have and how I can assist you. Okay, and third of all right, just really want to make a connection today. So thank you so much for taking the time out to come and watch this video. Thank you so much. So let's dive in and get started, right? So first of all, let me tell you a little bit about me and who I am and why I'm so passionate today, why I'm so excited. So I actually came into this opportunity of space back in 2013. At the time, I was struggling as a single mom, trying to raise my four children at home and keep them on the straight and narrow path of righteousness. And so I've always been an overachiever and a woman of faith. So I gave up everything, my job of 16 years as a restaurant general manager, to stay home and raise my children. And I didn't know exactly what opportunity was going to take us to the next level. Well, I had an opportunity, but I knew that opportunity would only get me to the next best opportunity, okay? And so that was the path that I took. So one opportunity led to the next. I knew someone in this opportunity that I was building with, and she had an even greater opportunity. And so she invited me to a presentation one day about like the one that you and I are watching now. And after watching the presentation, I was like, bet, this is it for me. Like, this is the reason, why so many other people are successful. I was like, I'm in. So I studied for my insurance exam and I finally passed it, okay? And after passing my insurance exam, it was like on and pop it, okay? And at first, it was challenging for me because I was coming from the employee mindset of showing up at this time and reporting my duties and getting, a result right then and there. And, that's where I was coming from. But here in this space, it's about, you are your own boss. So you set your own schedule and you have to be self-reliant and self-motivating. And you've got to be focused on your goals. And so I struggled with that for a few years, but glory be to God, personal development and great leaders in my corner, like I'm back on track. So I'm here today to present this information to you. I just recently came back into this company a few weeks ago, but I am like a veteran in the industry, right? And I've been a secret agent for a long time, and my secret is out now. So I'm telling everybody I know, everybody I come in contact with, that I'm a licensed insurance agent. And I'm actually in this business so that I can create a legacy for my family and also show other people how they can create legacies for their families. So I'm here to build a team, a big team. So that's why I'm sharing this information with you today. That's why I'm here. I have a big goal, a big mission, and I'm going to complete it. So welcome, everyone. So as we get into the presentation today, let me share with you what I'm holding up. This is a flyer that I share with every prospect, everyone I come in contact with when I'm doing a licensed insurance presentation. And the two companies that I'm working with are Lincoln Heritage and the Funeral Consumer Guardian Society, right? But the main part of my product that I offer my customers are the Funeral Consumer Guardian Society, because like everybody has life insurance. Well, mostly everyone has life insurance, but they don't have this little program, okay, that go along with their insurance. And that's why I am so excited as an insurance agent, because not only do I have insurance to offer everyone I come in contact with, because I can write anywhere from 0 to 85 years old, right? But I'm also excited because we get to offer the Funeral Consumer Guardian Society as a program that goes along with all insurance policies that we write. So it's a free program. The benefits are out of this world. And like I said earlier, like I've been around the block a few times with different companies and different opportunities, but this one here, it's second to none. Okay. It's really first class. So what I actually do when I come in contact with people is I show them how to plan and fund for their funeral, right? When the toughest day of their lives come for them and their families, right? So I show them my little plan, which I just held up. This little plan has a little program that actually helps to save families and seniors money. So let's get right into it. So the Funeral Consumer Guardian Society and Lincoln Heritage offers a cash insurance benefit and family support services. So the Funeral Advantage makes things go so much smoother and easier for the loved one who will be in charge of carrying out your funeral someday. So now with the cash insurance benefit from the Funeral Consumer Guardian Society, let's talk about that. So Lincoln Heritage Life Insurance Company is one of the nation's leaders in helping people cover their funeral costs and other final expenses. So we have benefits that are paid up to 24 hours, okay, within showing the documents that are received and approved, which is the death certificate. So within 24 hours of the death certificate being presented to the company, like they'll cut you a check, okay, for your cash benefit. There's whole life benefits up to $35,000. I'm really excited about that because there's been companies before that I've written with where I've only been able to insure up to $20,000. And now I'm able to insure up to $35,000. Okay. Listen, there's no health exam, just a few questions. So we don't have to draw blood. We don't have to take a urinalysis from you. We don't have to swab your mouth. Okay. We don't have to wait on test results to come back, right? Just a few health questions and we see what plan you qualify for. It's easy. It's just a one-page application. Okay. This is it. This is the application. It's one page. I love it. Okay. So most people qualify for coverage even with health issues. And there's a rate and benefit that is locked for the life of the policy. So this means that like we can't go up and down on the prices of your premium. Once you agree to the premium and you pay your first month's premium, then that rate is guaranteed for you to the life of your policy. I love it. Now, listen at this. We have $100,000 of additional benefit for accidental death that is available. So AD&D. So with the AD&D cash benefit enhancement, let me explain that to you. Because a lot of people, like, some people just have accidental death and dismemberment, especially if they're on their job, especially if, you know, they have a loan from somewhere. Your banks often offer the AD&D because it's actually a standalone product. But what accidental death and dismemberment does, right? Let me share with you. It's actually what's called a rider. So it's like something, an additional benefit that you pay for, okay? Or an additional benefit that you don't have to pay for. So listen to this. There's an accidental death, which can pay you up to $25,000 if you die in an accident. Single dismemberment, which means that if you lose an arm or leg, you can be paid up to $12,000, $500. Death due to an auto accident. Okay, so if you die in an auto accident, you're eligible to receive up to $50,000 with accidental death and dismemberment. Death due to common carrier accident. So like if you are flying or if you are, this is like if you're traveling, you can receive up to $100,000 in benefits. And like transport of mortal remains, again, if you're on the AD&D, and if you pass away in a place that's not where you live, then the accidental death and dismemberment will kick in and will pay up to $5,000 to transport your remains. So that was, I shared with you so far the cash benefit, the accidental death and dismemberment enhancement. Now with the family support services, listen at this. This is probably the best part of the presentation. So the Funeral Consumer Guardian Society is actually an independent organization dedicated to helping funeral purchaser get a great deal, right? So like you decide on the style of funeral you want. There's a 2-page final wishes form that makes it easy and simple for you. This is the 2-page. Oh, you actually get that 2-page when you get your policy back, because then we'll help you to decide, what you want. Okay. The Funeral Consumer Guardian Society keeps your wishes safe and secure on file. So for those of you who, are young like me, you may be 44, 45, and 10 years from now, you decide you want to change your funeral, okay? All you have to do is request it through Funeral Consumer Guardian Society that you want to make some changes. And because your wishes are in a safe, secure file, we can just go in and make those adjustments for you. So your loved one gets a 24-hour toll-free service number to call in at any time, okay? Death doesn't have a time on it. It can happen at 1 o'clock in the afternoon or 1 o'clock in the morning. You will have a toll-free line that you could call anytime that you're in need. And FCGS immediately goes into action, comparing up to 3 different funeral homes to find the best price available. Because remember, we're helping funeral purchasers get a fair deal. Also, families save an average of up to $1,800 on the traditional funerals and up to $600 on cremations. Now, you're going to get the free membership in the Funeral Consumer Guardian Society with your final expense plan from Lincoln Heritage. So you're going to receive your funeral advantage material by mail, right? So when you receive your welcome package, you're actually going to receive your valuable documents and your insurance valuable documents to go along with your policy. You're going to receive your funeral advantage program benefits, all those great benefits I just shared with you, the cash benefit, the accidental death and dismemberment, the family support services. You're going to receive all that. And now with your Funeral Consumer Guardian Society membership, you're going to receive your membership cards where instead of getting 2, you're going to get 4, right? So 1 of them you carry along with you, the other you give your beneficiary, and the other 2, you give them away, right? But copies of your membership cards for you and your family and friends. So you're also going to receive a form to record your funeral wishes. Okay, remember I shared with you about that. And you're also going to receive a postage-free envelope to return your forms. So that is what I am offering. This is why I'm so excited. I'm actually writing for the number one company in all of the US, God bless America, the number 1 company. We pay the most in premiums, okay? And we pay the most in death claims. So thank you so much for watching this video today. I am Vernitra Thomas, better known as Tweet, here to educate you about what is out here and what is possible for you and your family. Reach out to me if I can help you. Thanks. Have a great day and visit VernitraThomas.com. Have a great day, everyone. Peace.